In the heart of a bustling city, where the buildings reach high into the sky and the streets are always busy, something extraordinary is happening today. The sun is shining, laughter floats through the air, and everyone is ready for a new adventure, especially our brave and hardworking vehicles. It's a day full of possibility and excitement, and you can feel it in every corner of the city. Let's take a closer look at the construction site, where the mighty bulldozer is hard at work. With its powerful engine rumbling and its sturdy blade gleaming in the sunlight, bulldozer pushes a huge pile of rocks, clearing the way for new buildings and smoother roads. Bulldozer loves its job, always ready to help build a better city for everyone. But suddenly, in the middle of all the action, a small car finds itself in trouble. The car tries to drive through the construction area, but the rocks are heavy and the path is blocked. It honks its horn in alarm, hoping someone will hear. "Help! I can't move! I'm stuck!" cries the little car, its wheels spinning helplessly on the rough ground. The car's call for help doesn't go unnoticed. Across town, ambulance is always on alert, ready to lend a hand whenever someone is in need. With its lights flashing and sirens blaring, "Wee-woo! Wee-woo!" ambulance races to the scene. It arrives quickly, weaving through traffic and making sure everyone knows there's an emergency. Ambulance pulls up beside the stuck car and speaks in a gentle, reassuring voice. "Don't worry, little car. I'll take care of you." Ambulance is always calm and kind, making sure everyone feels safe even in scary situations. The little car feels much better knowing that help has arrived. Now it's time for teamwork. Bulldozer sees ambulance and understands exactly what needs to be done. With a determined look, Bulldozer lowers its blade and starts clearing the rocks around the car. The blade scrapes and pushes, moving the heavy stones out of the way. Bulldozer is strong and steady, always careful not to hurt the little car. Meanwhile, ambulance checks on the car, making sure it's okay. "Are you hurt?" asks ambulance. The car shakes its head, still a little frightened, but grateful for the rescue. "Don't worry, stay calm. We'll get you out of here in no time," says ambulance, always ready to offer comfort and support. Together, bulldozer and ambulance work side by side. Bulldozer lifts and pushes, clearing the last of the rocks until the car is free. Ambulance stays close, ready to help if the car needs medical attention or just a comforting word. The teamwork between bulldozer and ambulance is inspiring. Each vehicle brings its own special skills, and together they can solve any problem. With a final push, the path is clear. The little car revs its engine and rolls forward, finally free from the heavy stones. The car feels proud and happy, knowing that it couldn't have escaped without the help of its friends. The car cheers with joy, its horn sounding in celebration. "Thank you, bulldozer. Thank you, ambulance." The city echoes with laughter and happiness as everyone watches the rescue. Bulldozer smiles, proud of the hard work and the difference it made. "Teamwork makes us strong," declares Bulldozer. It knows that helping others is always better when friends work together. Ambulance nods in agreement, its lights flashing gently. "Helping friends is always the best job," says ambulance. There's nothing more rewarding than making sure everyone is safe and happy. As the sun sets and the city returns to its busy rhythm, the rescue team celebrates another successful day. They know that tomorrow will bring new adventures and new opportunities to help. Every day is a chance to show kindness, bravery, and teamwork. The story of bulldozer, ambulance, and the little car reminds us all that challenges can be overcome with the help of friends. When we work together and care for each other, no obstacle is too big, and every problem can be solved. The city is a happier, safer place because everyone does their part. So, remember the rescue team. Whenever you see a construction site, hear an ambulance siren, or notice a car in need. These heroes are always nearby, ready to lend a helping hand and make the city a better place for everyone. And that's how the rescue team saved the day again. Their bravery, kindness, and teamwork show us how important it is to help others and work together. Whether you're big or small, strong or gentle, everyone has something special to offer. When we join forces, we can achieve amazing things and make the world a brighter, happier place. Don't forget to share this adventure with your friends and family. There are so many exciting stories waiting to be told, and every day brings new opportunities to learn, grow, and have fun together. Be sure to join us again for more adventures with Anne Funny, where friendship and teamwork always lead the way. As the cheerful music fills the air and the city glows with happiness, our brave vehicles roll off into the sunset, ready for whatever adventure comes next. Who knows what tomorrow will bring? One thing's for sure. When the rescue team is on the job, everyone can feel safe and cared for. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, stay kind, and remember, every day is an adventure when you have good friends by your side. See you next time for more fun, excitement, and heartwarming stories with Anne Funny and the rescue team. Uh-oh, a big mess is blocking the road. What happened here? All over town, people are bustling about their busy days when, crash! A pile of blocks and dirt tumbles right into the middle of the street. Dust floats into the air, and the path is completely blocked. Cars line up on both sides, honking their horns, but they can't get through. Drivers peer out their windows, looking worried. Some tap their steering wheels and sigh. Others try to turn around, but the road is too narrow. The mess stretches from sidewalk to sidewalk, and nobody can pass. It's a big problem. But don't worry, help is on the way. From around the corner comes Dump Truck, strong and mighty, rumbling down the road. Its engine growls as it rolls closer, ready to help. Dump Truck's big headlights shine through the dust, and kids nearby cheer as they see their hero arrive. Dump Truck wastes no time. With a loud beep, it lowers its heavy scoop. Scoop, scrape, boom! The ground shakes as Dump Truck picks up heavy blocks and big heaps of dirt. The scoop clinks and clatters as it carries the mess away, making all sorts of fun sounds. Clank, clonk, crunch. Everyone watches as the pile slowly starts to shrink. But as Dump Truck works, something becomes clear. The dirt is so dry and dusty that clouds start swirling through the air. It's hard to see, and people start to cough. The dust makes it dangerous for everyone nearby, especially for the kids and animals who might want to play outside. The drivers close their windows, but the dust keeps drifting. Dump Truck tries its best, but this mess is too much for one truck alone. Suddenly, a siren blares in the distance. Woo, woo, woo! It's Fire Truck, racing to the rescue. Bright red and shining, Fire Truck speeds up the road, lights flashing, horns sounding. People wave and cheer as Fire Truck arrives, ready to help. Fire Truck pulls up beside Dump Truck and quickly gets to work. With a hiss and a spray, Fire Truck's long hose shoots out cool, clean water. The water splashes over the dusty pile, turning dangerous dust into safe, wet ground. The air clears, and everyone can breathe easy again. Now, with the dust under control, Dump Truck and Fire Truck team up. Dump Truck scoops up the blocks and the now wet dirt, piling it neatly away. Fire Truck makes sure everything stays safe, spraying water where it's needed. The two trucks move together, working as a perfect team. Kids watch and cheer from the sidewalk, clapping and laughing at the fun sounds. Splash, scoop, beep, woo-woo. The cars waiting on either side of the road honk their horns in celebration. Little by little, the pile disappears. The road is clear again. Dump Truck and Fire Truck look at each other and smile. The drivers wave and the kids jump up and down with joy. Together, the trucks have saved the day. Everyone comes together to celebrate. The cars drive by, honking and waving. The kids shout, "Yay! We did it!" Fire Truck and Dump Truck are heroes, showing that when friends work together, anything is possible. The road is safe and clean, and everyone can go on with their day. Teamwork makes the dream work. When Dump Truck and Fire Truck joined forces, they solved the problem quickly and safely. Whether scooping up heavy loads or spraying water to keep people safe, they used their strengths to help everyone. That's what friends do. Now it's your turn. Who's your favorite hero truck? Is it Dump Truck with its big scoop and strong body? Or is it Fire Truck with its flashing lights and powerful hose? Maybe you like them both because they make such a great team. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to tell us which truck is your favorite. Comment below and let us know. And if you want to see dump truck and fire truck in more fun stories, remember to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures. There are so many problems to solve and so many friends to meet along the way. Just imagine what these trucks could do next. Maybe they'll build a playground, help a friend in need, or race to fix a broken bridge. With teamwork and courage, anything is possible. The whole town knows they can count on dump truck and fire truck whenever there's a problem. Let's remember how they work together. When dump truck saw the big mess, it jumped right in and started clearing the way. Fire truck noticed the dust and knew just what to do to keep everyone safe. Each truck used its special skills, and together, they made the road safe for everyone. What about you? When you see a problem, can you think about who you can team up with? Maybe you can help a friend at school, work together with your family, or join in with your classmates to clean up the playground. Teamwork isn't just for trucks, it's for everyone. So next time you see dump truck and fire truck, wave and say thank you. They're always ready to help, and they're always ready to work together. That's what makes them heroes. And remember, every day is a chance for adventure. Whether it's a big mess in the road or just a small problem at home, teamwork and friendship can save the day. With dump truck and fire truck leading the way, there's nothing we can't do. So, who's your favorite hero truck? Share your answer below. And if you like stories where friends work together, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are so many more adventures waiting for dump truck, fire truck, and all their friends. Stay tuned for more fun, more teamwork, and more ways to help others. Thanks for joining us today as dump truck and fire truck save the day. See you next time for another exciting adventure. Teamwork truly makes the dream work, especially when you have great friends by your side. It was a bright and sunny morning, the kind of day when everything feels possible. The sky stretched wide and blue with only a few fluffy clouds drifting lazily overhead. Down below at the bustling construction site, a team of hard-working trucks was getting started on a big project, a brand new bridge that would soon stretch across the sparkling river. The dump truck rumbled in, its engine vibrating with excitement. Its sturdy bed was stacked high with heavy rocks collected from the quarry. With a cheerful beep, it trundled to the edge of the construction zone, ready to deliver its precious cargo. Not far away, the excavator's long arm reached into the earth, scooping deep holes and making room for the bridge's strong foundations. Its metal bucket gleamed in the sunlight, swinging back and forth with practiced precision. Meanwhile, the cement mixer was at work, its big barrel spinning round and round like a merry-go-round. The mixer sang a happy tune as it churned and whirled, blending sand, gravel, and cement together into a thick, sturdy mixture. The trucks moved together in a busy dance, each one doing its part to bring the bridge to life. The dump truck unloaded piles of rocks, building up the roadbed. The excavator dug deep, then filled in the holes with the perfect amount of earth. The cement mixer spun and poured, smoothing the concrete into place. It was hard work, but the trucks loved working together, knowing that every beep and every scoop brought them closer to finishing the bridge. Then, suddenly, a strange sound echoed across the site. Crunch! All the trucks stopped in their tracks. Something was wrong. Right in the middle of the freshly built bridge, a tiny toy car was wedged between two big stones. Its bright red paint glimmered in the sun, but it was stuck fast, unable to budge. The dump truck rolled forward, its headlights bright with determination. "Don't worry," it called out, its voice full of excitement. "I'll dump my rocks to make the road stronger." With a mighty heave, dump truck tipped its bed and released a load of rocks, hoping to fortify the bridge and help the little car wiggle free. The excavator swung its arm over, cheerful and ready for action. "And I'll dig a safe path so the car can get out," it declared. Carefully, the excavator scooped and scraped around the tiny vehicle, making a smooth path that curved gently back to the road. The trucks watched, hopeful that the little car would be able to roll away. The cement mixer spun closer, singing its favorite work song. "Mix, mix, mix, let's fix, fix, fix," it chimed, pouring a fresh layer of concrete to fill in the gaps and make the bridge as strong as ever. Together, the dump truck, excavator, and cement mixer worked as a team. determined to save the toy car and finish their bridge. But despite their best efforts, the little car was still stuck. Its wheels spun, its tiny engine revved, but it couldn't move. The trucks looked at each other, worried. What could they do? Just then, the air was filled with a new sound. Wee-woo, wee-woo. Sirens blared and lights flashed, and the rescue tow truck raced onto the scene. Rescue tow truck was shiny and bright, painted a bold red that gleamed under the sun. Its strong hook swung from side to side as it rolled to a stop beside the stuck car. Confidence shone from its headlights. "Hold on, little car," rescue tow truck called out. "I'll pull you to safety." With the help of its sturdy winch, rescue tow truck lowered its hook, securing it gently to the toy car's bumper. The other construction trucks gathered round, watching eagerly. With a powerful pull, whoosh! The tiny car popped free from the stones and rolled safely onto the smooth new bridge. Cheers erupted from the construction site. Dump truck honked its horn. Beep! Excavator swung its arm in a joyful wave, and cement mixer spun in a happy circle. Rescue tow truck flashed its lights, proud to have helped. The little toy car beeped in thanks, grateful for the teamwork that had saved the day. All the trucks lined up along the bridge, celebrating together. The sun shone down, the river sparkled below, and the bridge stood strong and proud, ready for cars big and small to cross. The trucks danced in a circle, their horns ringing out, "Beep, beep, hooray!" The construction team knew that their hard work and teamwork had made the rescue possible. Dump truck felt proud for making the road strong. Excavator was happy to have made a safe path. Cement mixer was pleased with its smooth concrete, and rescue tow truck was delighted to have helped a friend in need. They were more than just machines. They were a team. When one truck needed help, the others pitched in. When a problem seemed too big, they worked together until it was solved. That day on the bridge, every truck played an important part, showing that even the toughest challenges can be overcome with friends by your side. As the afternoon sun dipped lower in the sky, the bridge was finally finished. The trucks admired their handiwork, watching as cars of all shapes and sizes rolled across the sturdy new span. The little toy car zipped back and forth, testing out the road and waving to its rescuers. The trucks laughed and danced, sharing stories of their adventure. It had been a rescue day to remember, a day of helping, building, and working together. The trucks knew that teamwork made the dream work. No matter how big the job or how small the problem, they could always count on each other. And so, as the sun set behind the hills and the stars began to twinkle overhead, the construction trucks gathered for one last celebration. They honked their horns, flashed their lights, and danced happily together, proud of the bridge they'd built and the friend they'd rescued. What a rescue day.